Today's Sound Machine
speaker deals
for $22.
Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite.
And I'm Dominique.
Best job shadow ever, and your one-stop shop for deals right here. We are in the midst of amazing Black Friday reductions, and today just one of those items.
Yes, if you are subscribed, we will be getting you the best Black Friday deals.
Hookups early so you don't need to line up, so you can preserve Thanksgiving. I already have a list of huge doorbusters which we have access to, and if you want to stay subscribed to this channel, we'll get your holiday shopping done at 80% off and for free. Dominique, how do you feel about free?
I love free. And we are giving away 2 sound machines for free to 2 subscribers.
We're gonna make the draw at the end of this video, and a reminder, if you stay subscribed, not only is your holiday shopping done, but those freebies will continue. The sound machine today is just a better way to sleep. A lot of people are relying upon apps, but it's confusing. They deactivate in the middle of the night. Under 30 bucks, down from almost 50. This white noise machine with 8 sounds is great. The only complaints tied to this have really pertained to price. A lot of people think it was overpriced at almost 50 bucks, and I will tell you why I wouldn't spend the full price on it. This is a steal. It uses 3 AA batteries or a USB cable and AC adapter, which is included.
I live on a busy street, so these sounds definitely help me. Here's a nice peaceful sound, my personal favorite. Rain, birds chirping, light thunderstorm, more powerful thunderstorm, and drizzling rain.
Dominique is magically in another outfit because she tested this a while ago. Other than the impressions you've shared, now that you've spent months with this thing, what do you think?
I like this a lot because it doesn't take up the mobile data on my phone, and it has just better sound quality.
Yeah, if you're trying to even use Wi-Fi, which you do have access to try and sleep, this is built specifically for that one purpose, and it is still helping you sleep?
It is.
Wonderful! And it also drowns out my snoring, so it's helping my marriage at home in other ways too. Isn't that great? Saving money, marriages. All right, it's time for our giveaway.
Using TubeBuddy's random selection tool to find a subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months. Our first winner is Michael. I'm glad you love the drone deals. I've got many more coming. Just email support@mattsdailydeals.com for your freebie. And Manta Ryan, again, congratulations to you. Just email me, and a reminder for everyone, make sure all of your notifications are checked and on for this channel so you never miss another giveaway.
Dominique, for our winning subscriber, oh, you've already started. Peaceful,
Yep.
That's great. Do ballet or whatever you're doing, and I'll go quieter. Yes, you won. Wow, you're amazing. Thank you for watching. Yes. Wow, did you ever take ballet at any point in your life?
Yes, I took 6 years of dance.
Wow, it certainly paid off for
Can you
this.
tell?
Yeah, that's a questionable teacher that you may have had, but that was great. I can't do any better. Thank you so much for watching. A reminder, if you want access to all those doorbuster deals early, this is just one of 1,000 different deals that you can score.
Stay subscribed. This is your home for the holidays. We have more freebies than anyone in the country.
And doorbusters, and they are coming right up. Thank you so much for being here. Dominique will respond to probably every single one of the comments that you write to her. You like that?
I do.
You still have time for that?
Yeah, I have homework, but I like it.
You know your priorities.
Yeah.
You are our priority. Thank you so much for watching.
Hey everybody, it's intern Casey here. If you're not yet subscribed to Matt, why? That makes me so sad. But it's not too late. Click on his head right here and you'll be subscribed to all his awesome deals. And also, if you want to see another great deal, click right up here. You'll get directed to another video. And down here, if you need to learn how to turn on your YouTube notifications, click it. What are you waiting for?